everyone, welcome back to Lidhu's Nail Art Design. If you are new here, hi, I am Lidhu and I share simple nail art design that you can easily do at your home, even if you are a completely beginner. In today's video, I am going to show a simple and easy heart nail art design. Fancy tool, no pressure, just a relaxing nail art design. I will be using dark red, lavender and some glitter that is optional. Let's design our hearts. I have chosen lavender as the base and red for the heart. If you don't have a dotting tool, don't worry. A toothpick, a hairpin or even the back of the bobby pin works perfectly. Remember, simple tools are still create beautiful nail art designs. First, place two small dots close to each other and then gently pull down the dots downwards into a point and slowly connect them to form a heart shape. The same steps on other nails. Take your time. If the heart isn't perfect, that's completely okay. Even uneven heart look cute and handmade. You can style this design according to your wish. I will be drawing 4 hearts in each nails. This design is meant to be easy, simple and beginner friendly. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more easy nail art design for beginners, short nails and DIY nail art at home. This design is perfect for beginners, everyday wear, short nails and a Valentine's Day or a cute daily styles. Have any doubt about a nail art design, you can ask in the comment section. If you're feeling comfortable, you can add a tiny dot around the heart or mini outline or a small heart on another nail. If your first try does not look perfect, please don't discourage. Nail art takes practice and every attempt makes you better. This design is meant to be easy, clean and beginner friendly. Here I am adding little bit glitters to all the hearts. You guys can try this nail on Valentine's Day season. And here is the final look. Simple heart nail art design. If you enjoyed this simple heart nail art tutorial, please give this video a like. It's really a help. Stay tuned with Lidhu's nail art designs.